Alright, isa na namang mini vlog for Rocamay Mountain Resort. So we stayed here last July 31 kasi may wedding kami the next day. Coding kami ng Thursday kaya lumos na kami na mas maaga. So ito yung entrance, may dining hall sila. And then this is the back of the mountain resort. So hindi ako nakapaglibot dun sa baba kasi medyo delikado daw yung panahon. But ito yung pinaka main lodge kumbaga. So ayan. So kumatok pa ako sa kwarto ni na daddy. Ayan. So we booked 2 rooms sa first floor. May wheelchair access naman sa kanila. So alam niyo naman, it's important for us right now, for our family. That's why we really look for establishments with wheelchair access. Ayan. So, picturesque views of, I think, Sierra Madre to, diba? So, comment down below kung Sierra Madre nga ba. Ayan. So, ayan yung papunta dun sa baba ng kanilang pool area. So, hindi ko na masyado na-explore. So, we just stayed in the room. But, overall, maganda yung panahon. Medyo makulimlim, pero hindi naman umulan. Umambon-ambon lang ng konti. And then, here you'll see a room tour. No? Ito yung room nila on the first floor, no balcony kasi nga first floor. Ayan, so pagpasok there's cabinet, storage, and then may table, TV, and then yung bed niya sobrang laki, so sulit na din. Ayan, may mirror with lights, then you can see the outdoor area kasi malalaki yung windows. And then yung CR nila okay naman, adequate naman yung room, no? Medyo maluwag for its place and size. Ayan, may bidet syempre. And then hot and cold shower. Ayan. So overall, masaya naman yung experience namin dito. And I would really commend the service and the food. Sobrang sarap ng breakfast options nila, ng lunch options, ng dinner options. Tsaka na-try namin tong mga sandwiches nila. Sobrang sulit. Hindi na na-try yung coffee but that's for another video. Hope to come